Hi everyone, so this is the breakfast edition Monday to Friday working week special. In addition, this is going to include how I add fruit to the back end of my monthly meal prep budget. This week I'm doing 3 days and my husband is doing 5. So for the fruit, I use 2 cans of pineapple chunks and 2 mandarin tins as well. And I portion them up into 5 jars for my husband and 3 into my pack lunches. I'm going to show you what mine look like. So obviously I've got these 3 Tupperwares, and basically I put the pineapple and oranges in there, and then I've got a lid to enclose it in so it keeps the moisture in. It's quite a handy little pack lunch. And then here I have portioned my husband's 5 fruit pots for the week, Monday to Friday, and here's mine for my 3 days. So I'm trying to incorporate breakfast into my working week. Obviously I don't like too much of a breakfast, so I'm using oats, chia seeds, yogurt, raspberries frozen, you can use mango, blueberries frozen too, and some honey. So here I portion about a big tablespoon of oats into each jar. Again, I don't like that much, but obviously everyone is different, and put as much as you feel like you can have. Next I'm adding the chia seeds. Again, I only add a little bit to each one. Next I'm adding in the yogurt, about 2 tablespoons each. Again, it's each to your own. And then I mix it up. Whenever I'm done with any packaging, but I've still got stuff left like these oats, I use my food saver machine and it just crimps that packaging. Next I'm adding a little handful of raspberries in each jar. You could either mash them up or you could just let them defrost in that jar and then just mix it in later on when you're ready to eat it. Then I'm adding about half a teaspoon of honey into each jar. And there we have it, got these meal preps for the week, and I just plug them in the fridge ready to go. So next is my husband's breakfast. He uses like ready bread, gluten-free porridge, oat milk because he can't use cow's milk, and set honey. And he likes it cold, I don't know why, but he does. So I add about 5 tablespoons in each jar, and then I mix it with oat milk. And I also make sure that once it's mixed, that it's not too dry and it's not too runny. If you would like to heat it up, I would recommend not using the glass jars like these microwavable tubs that you can put in the microwave. Then my husband prefers the set honey because I can take like half a teaspoon and I just put it in the side of the jar, and as it goes in the fridge it kind of just sits there until he's ready to eat it when he's at work, and he just mixes it in then. And here we go guys, so here is breakfast set up for the working week, Monday to Friday, and also fruit pots as well. Makes life so much easier and also saves money. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.